Temperature. Temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. A thermometer measures the temperature outside. Now you say temperature. Temperature. Protect. Protect. When you protect something, you keep it safe. A mother bear must protect her cub. Now you say protect. Protect. Hunt. Hunt. When you hunt for something, you search or look for it. A lion must hunt for its food. Now you say hunt. Hunt. Fierce. Fierce. When we say that something is fierce, we mean that it is wild, strong, and dangerous. The fierce tiger let out a loud roar. Now you say fierce. Fierce. Huddle. Huddle. When you huddle, you gather together in a small, close group. The soccer players huddle together before the game. Now you say huddle. Huddle. Howl. Howl. To howl is to make a long, loud crying sound. I always hear the wolf howl at night. Now you say howl. Howl. Freezing. Freezing. When something is freezing, it is very cold and sometimes covered in ice. I wear my winter coat and scarf when it is freezing outside. Now you say freezing. Freezing. Hatch. Hatch. When animals hatch, they break out of their eggs. The chick will hatch out of its eggs soon. Now you say hatch. Hatch. Cozy. Cozy. When something or someone is cozy, it is warm, comfortable, and relaxed. I am cozy when I snuggle in my blanket. Now you say cozy. Cozy. Slide. Slide. To slide is to move smoothly along a slippery surface. The girl loves to slide down with her dad. Now you say slide. Slide.